Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write an essay on rainwater harvesting. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is rainwater harvesting is a simple and effective method to collect and store rainwater. Second line is we can retain rainwater for periods of scarcity rather than letting it run off. Third line is it involves collecting rainwater that falls on roofs or any other surfaces and storing it. Fourth line is the stored water is then utilized for various purposes. Fifth line is the collected rainwater can be used for domestic purposes like watering plants, cleaning, and even for drinking after proper filtration. Sixth line is this practice is essential in areas where water scarcity is a concern. Seventh line is this not only helps in addressing water scarcity issues but also reduces the burden on traditional water sources like rivers and wells. Eighth line is it is a sustainable and eco-friendly approach. Ninth line is it minimizes soil erosion and replenishes groundwater levels. Last line is rainwater harvesting is a small step towards a water secure future.